How to fix Forza Motorsport crashing, not launching, freezing, and black screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll demonstrate how to resolve the game issues step by step. So click on the search bar first and type in Device Manager. Select the Device Manager and then click on the display adapters and right click on your display adapter and choose to update the driver. Opt for searching automatically for the drivers and wait for the installation to complete. Then click on Close. If the issue still persists, open Steam, go to the library, right-click on the non-working game and select Properties. Then proceed to the local files and click on Verify integrity of the game files and wait for the process to finish. After completion, click on the Browse and right-click on the game application that is not working, select Properties and then click on Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and try Windows 7 and Windows 8. Disable the full screen optimizations and run the program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then OK. Attempt to play the game, and if the problem persists, type Update in the search bar. Click on Check for the Updates option. And once completed, close the window and right-click on the Start menu and open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup option and disable the unnecessary applications if available. Close the window and restart your PC if the issue still persists. Click on the Windows icon and type in CMD. Run it as an administrator and type in SFC scan now and wait for the completion and then close the window. Now type in security in the search bar, open the Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Once you click on it, scroll down and click on Add or Remove the exclusions for the problematic file or the folder and restart your PC. This way your problem will be resolved. If this video helped you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.